Time for do-it-yourself home automation, and this is a look at my Baby Bjorn bouncer. So this is a really great bouncer from Baby Bjorn, excellent brand, and this works great for your newborn. You can start with a newborn all the way up to a kid who's probably about 2 years old. So this is a bouncer that's not powered. They say that your baby will learn really quickly to use it themselves. And basically the way it works is you've got this sort of angled metal frame with a fabric cover over top of it, and it bounces really easily. It's pretty robust, so even if you push it down with quite a lot of force, it just bounces back. And you can see even with a little bit of movement, you got a nice bounce to it. And then you've got this harness, so your baby can slip in. You can adjust the tightness here. Their legs come out the bottom and their head rests, and it gives them good head support even when they're a newborn. So that's really important. You can change the angle of the bouncer using this adjustment piece down here. So you can angle it starting with them laying almost on their backs and then move it up as they get bigger. And again, as they get a little bit older, they'll learn that they can kick and cause this to bounce by itself. You can also put a foot on it. I've found it works really well to put a foot on there and bounce it gently, if you're working, it's in your office, or if you're at home office, or if you're sitting at the table trying to have a meal, it's a great bouncer to put them in. I really like that it does kind of recline them. So again, it works well with a really new baby all the way up to an older kid. And then the nice thing is when you're done with the baby setting, you can take this harness down, flip the fabric over, so this fabric actually comes off of the frame, and spin it around, and then it becomes a little chair that they can sit in as they get a little bit bigger. So it's not just for that sort of first 6-month period like many bouncers. It works from, up to when they're sitting up all the way up to when they want to use it as like a small chair to sit on. Really good quality. I've used this for 2 kids so far, and it's still going strong. Still using it for my youngest baby, and really good stability too. I like that it feels really stable. It doesn't feel like this is gonna, tip over even if I kind of push on it or anything. And I think it's just an excellent bouncer overall.